Python. We can make a block of code execute over and over again and again with a while statement. The code in a while clause will be executed as long as the while statement condition is true. In a code, a while statement always consists of the while keyword, a condition, and a colon, along with that intended block of code. We can see that a while statement looks similar to an if statement. The difference is in how they behave. At the end of an if class, the program execution continues after the if statement. But at the end of the while class, the program execution jumps back to the start of while statement. Example you can see in comparison with if statement and while statement. If spam is equals to 0, if spam is less than 5, a print hello world, then we are going to increment the spam value. But in using while statement, if while spam less than 5, okay, here you're printing a hello world for um more than one time because you are using a while statement which is used to repeatedly execution the same or repeated execution of the same statement till the condition becomes false. If the condition is true, the again you are going to execute the same statement. So like that you are going to repeatedly execute this. So you can see in if statement, if the condition is true, we are executing and we are printing the statement hello world for one time. But here, if the condition is true, we are going to execute it and we are going to print the same statement repeatedly for 5 times. Okay, so this is what the main difference between if and while. Okay, the flowchart for the same thing. You can even consider here the spam is less than 5, which is true. We are executing one statement and we are incrementing the spam value and we are coming with the end of the statement. But here in the case, if spam is less than 5, if it is true, then you're repeatedly executing the hello world statement and you're incrementing a spam value again and again till it becomes a 5. In the while loop, the condition is always checked at the start of each iteration. The condition is true, the clause is executed, and again the condition is checked. The first time condition is found to be false, the while clause is skipped. Here is a small example that will keep asking to type literally. Here you can see the name is equals to. We have taken with an empty string. While the name is not equals to your name, print please type your name and name is equals to input. Then print thank you. See here, initially we are taken with the name as a variable and here we have stored with the empty string and while name is not equals to your name, that means it's the condition becomes false. It is true again and again if you're giving an input is something like other than your name because it is asking you to type as it is your name as a string. It's not asking you to enter your name, it is asking you to type as it is your name string so that it will get matched to while statement, then only your while loop will become false. Otherwise it keeps on like gives you true value if you enter something else other than your name. Okay, so this is like unknowing while loop because it doesn't get terminated till you type your the exact word as it is your name. So it keeps on asking you to enter your name, enter your name. Okay, if you want, we can even check it out with the output also. Here you have written down. Okay, uh, same program execution steps will be explained here. And check that the variable is empty string, it will be set it out. Then if it is condition will be true always when you type your the name other than the word your name. So when the condition becomes false, it is going to be exit from the while loop. And this will be the flowchart for that while loop. So it's going to keep on ask for you to enter the name, then it is finally contained. A break statement. Okay, see here there is a shortcut to getting a program execution to break out of while loop. Okay, so now we want to get out of the loop, so you can use this break statement. Okay, so you can see the example also while true. Okay, well, it is always true. Please type your name. You typed something, then if name is equals to your name, break. That means you're going to come out of the loop whenever you have entered your string is your name. So whenever during your execution of the while loop, you wanted to exit from that loops, you can use this break statement. Okay, the flowchart for this. Then continuous statement, like a break statement, continuous statement are used inside the loop. When the program execution reaches a continuous statement, the program execution immediately jumps back to the start of the loop and reevaluates the loop's condition. So here you can say take it's go back to the loop again and it uh, continue to execution of the same loop. It is not going to get out of the loop, but it is going to ask you to continue with that same loop. So we have this while true, print who are you. Okay. So name is equals to input. You are going to give some input. If the name is equals to not equals to Joy, continue with the same file while loop again and again. Okay. See the output as you can see. I am fine. Thank you. Who are you? Thanks and who are you? Some who are you, Miss Joy? If you have entered, so now hello, Joy. That what is the password? Okay, it is going to ask you for continue with that particular statements. Okay, the explanation of the program will be given here. Thank you. Will we continue with this break and continue statements in the next videos. Thank you.